The reason I'm not looking forward to doing this is because I know it's going to be shit. Now, I know this will run shit because I don't have a windowed piston. The plan is just to put it on and see, because I've never done this before. It's one thing to read about it on the internet, it's another thing to see it for yourself. Now my plan is to window my own piston because I've got what, 4 or 5 spare pistons if I F it up. There is an air leak, but I suspect it's coming through the cap here and not through the reed valve itself. So I'm going to strip all this back. I did notice that all this is loose, so that will cause a leak. I'm inclined to add a bit more oil into here. I'm going to have to up the jet size in there. Quarter turn back. Now we can see the smoke coming off there. I'll wing it. I'm going to have to bring my oil ratio up to compensate for that overheating, because oil equals lubrication and lubrication equals less heat. So yeah, if you've stuck with me through all this, cheers and thanks for coming along. Now, I know my channel's called Nick's Bikes, that is mostly what I do, but to be honest, I did start as a gaming channel, and I will from time to time, you know, upload some of the games I like playing. That's just me. It's my channel, it's what I like doing. It doesn't get nearly the views, but I'm not out here chasing views on YouTube. I'm just out here having fun and dying because I'm an unfit fat bastard. But yeah, and it's been a while since I've uploaded any bike content. Hopefully today's videos will tide you guys over. The truthful fact of the matter is I'm flat stinking stony broke. I just can't afford to maintain this hobby. If I can't fix it for free, it stays broke. And incidentally, that Mk3 battery is still sitting up there, not charging. I'll leave it overnight, but I'm pretty sure that spells doom for the Mk3. As for this reed valve, I've mentioned it a few times already, but the plan is to window the piston. And if I completely blow the engine up in the process, I've already thought about sticking that BT100 on this bike. With that 56 tooth sprocket, it will be a beast. So I do have plans to keep doing bike content in the future, but you will just have to bear with me because it won't be as thick and fast as it was in the beginning, just due to financial constraints, unfortunately, because YouTube doesn't pay the bills. Yeah, we'll see you next time.